Glitchy phones can be frustrating, but don't worry. In this video, we'll quickly cover why your phone might be acting up, followed by 9 effective solutions to fix it, including a powerful method that works for most users. Let's dive in. Part 1. Why is my phone glitching? High media use or too many apps or extreme conditions or background apps or max brightness. Dirty port or app glitches, auto brightness, full storage or location services or software issues. Battery problems or malware or aging hardware or damage. Part 2. How to fix a glitching phone screen. Way 1. Reboot your phone. For iPhone, hold side and volume for Face ID. Swipe to power off, then hold side to restart. For Android, hold power, tap restart. Way 2. Regulate screen brightness. iPhone, settings, display and brightness, adjust slider. Disable auto brightness in accessibility, display and text size. Android, settings, display, adjust slider. Toggle off adaptive brightness. Way 3. Update your phone apps. iPhone, open App Store profile icon, update or update all. Android, open Play Store menu, My Apps and Games, update or update all. Way 4. Update device OS. iPhone, settings, general software update, tap download and install. Android, settings, system update, tap check for update and follow instructions. Way 5. Hard reset your phone. iPhone 8 Plus, press volume up, volume down, hold side until logo. iPhone 7 Plus, hold volume down plus sleep wake until logo. New Android, settings, backup and reset, erase data, confirm. Old Android, settings, backup and reset, factory reset, confirm. Way 6. Put your phone into DFU mode. iPhone 8 Plus, connect, press volume up, volume down, hold side until black. Hold side plus volume down 5 seconds, then volume down 10s. iPhone 7 Plus, connect, hold side plus volume down 10 seconds. Release side, hold volume down 5 seconds. Way 7. Clear app cache. Android only. Clear cache for individual apps. Settings, storage apps. Select app, storage and cache. Clear cache. Clear all app caches. Settings, storage, cache data. Clear cache data. Way 8. Resort to a repair shop. iPhone, use Apple support website or app to schedule a repair, or visit an Apple store or authorized provider. Android, visit your phone's manufacturer support page, or find an authorized service center to schedule a repair. Part 3. How to stop your iPhone from glitching professionally. Small issues can cause phone malfunctions. iOS System Recovery is a reliable repair tool for iPhones. If problems occur, a few clicks on your computer can help. Let's explore this tool. Step 1. Initiate iOS System Recovery. First, download the software onto your computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. After that, install and open the application. Go to the More Tools section and select iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Boot into recovery mode. Begin the scanning process for your device. By clicking on Start, the program will present detailed information about your iPhone on the display. Carefully review this information and adhere to the on-screen prompts to enter either recovery mode or DFU mode. Step 3. Stop iPhone glitching after your device is in the selected mode. Click on the Repair option to fix the issue with the malfunctioning iPhone screen. The software will automatically download the required firmware and efficiently rectify the problem.